Creating an email QR code in Unicode is easy, but if you want to unlock the full potential of your email marketing, stick around until the end because I'll show you not just how to make that QR code, but also reveal some alternative tools that might be even better for the job. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to sign up for Unicode if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create your email QR code. Start by selecting the Create QR Code option on the dashboard. This will bring you to a screen with different QR code types. Next thing, choose the Email option. This tells Unicode that you want to generate a QR code that, when scanned, opens the user's email client with a predefined email address and subject line. You can customize the to field with any email address you want to use, whether it's a personal address or a business one. The third thing, you'll be able to add a subject line right away. This is useful if you're using the QR code for specific campaigns or offers, and it saves your users time when they scan and want to send you an email right away. You can also add a default message body if needed. Now, the fourth thing, setting up the design. Unicode allows you to personalize the look of the QR code. You can change the colors and even the size to match your branding. If you want to make sure it looks professional, take some time to tweak the design because the visual appeal of your QR code can make a big difference in how engaging it is. Once you've customized everything, it's time for the fifth thing, downloading the QR code. Unicode lets you download the QR code in a variety of formats, including PNG, SVG, or PDF, making it easy to use on websites, brochures, or even business cards. But here's the catch. While Unicode does a decent job of helping you generate QR codes quickly and easily, it doesn't always offer the level of customization or analytics that you might need as your business grows. That's why, for some users, alternative tools like QR Code Generator or Scanova could be more beneficial. These platforms offer more advanced features, like tracking how many times your QR code was scanned, which can be crucial if you want to analyze the performance of your email campaign. In addition, some of these competitors allow you to create dynamic QR codes, meaning you can change the email address or subject line even after you've printed your code, which is something Unicode lacks. It's a useful feature if you want to keep your content fresh and up to date without creating new codes each time. Now, if you're looking for a truly comprehensive solution, I'll be honest, there are better alternatives out there that have a more robust set of features for your email marketing needs. But here's the thing, if you're just starting out and want something straightforward, Unicode could still work for you, especially with their free trial that lets you test out the service risk-free. But wait, I've got an exclusive deal for you. Through our link in the description, you'll not only get an extended free trial of Unicode, but we've also added some amazing alternatives that might be even better suited for your email QR code needs. These alternatives also offer free trials, and we've made sure to partner with them to get you the best possible benefits. So, if you want to get started with Unicode or explore the alternatives, make sure to use our link for the best offers available to you. Don't forget to check out those other options and decide what works best for your email QR code campaigns.